Pambansang pamilya. Daddy Ren, Mami Emmy, Princess Nicole Yala at si Prince Clarence. Mag-i-enjoy kayong sila'y kasama. Pambansang pamilya. Samahan natin sila. Fun-filled na banding ng pamilya.
Hi Papam fans! Hi everyone! So we're on our way to Baler, Aurora. So it's been a while since we last went there. I think it was 3 years ago. Hi there! Labubu! And aga kami umalis ng Manila around 4 a.m. So we're now here parang mga 60 kilometers. Wait lang. We're around 60 kilometers away from Aurora and naisipan namin mag-stop over dito. So itong restaurant na ito was created parang 3 years ago lang. So ganun na rin kami katagal na hindi nakakapunta talaga. And look at this view, kaya kami tumigil kahit wala sana kaming balak mag-breakfast. Look at that view. It's so beautiful. Ang ganda. Ulitin ko ha. Gusto kong marinig ang simoy ng hangin. Ang narinig ko ang comments nila tungkol dito sa DJI. Charis. So I'm also with Lola and Tita Tati. Yan, may busy driver kasi siya ang nag-drive, so gutom na gutom siya. Ang kanyang food ay
Bicol Express.
Bicol Express.
Pero nasa Nueva Ecija kami.
So, and Prince is going to eat mang
Inasal.
inasal. Ay, hindi pala mang inasal. Hindi pala branded. Inasal lang. Kasi ako ay currently on a low iodine diet. Titingin lang ako sa kanya. Kasi hindi ko alam kung anong food na available sa akin. Although I'll check the coffee. There you go.
I'm taking a video feel like right now.
Oh, you're taking a video of me. Aww.
MC vibes. Yes, as a main character. Oh yes, queen. Slay. Okay, yes, diva, you ate it up.
I ate it and left no crumbs.
Oh, mom trying to be Gen Alpha here.
Gen Z Alpha.
No, it's Gen Zalpha.
Gen Alpha. Magkano kinain mo?
270 lahat na.
270? Ano?
Dalawang kanin, dalawang
Wow!
Mas malinis pa. Kaluluto lang.
Look at that view. Score. Oh, look at that view. Oh, so cute.
Stop!
Look at that view. Oh my gosh. So cute. Hi, Chai. Drip coffee. Kalina. Drip coffee.
Guys, we're already here at Aurora. Hey!
Princess, baka malaglagan
Dad, hindi tayo malalaglag. Dad, say hi.
Hi.
Lola, say hi.
Hey.
Say hi in the video. Tita Tati, your part in the vlog.
Tita Tati.
Your part in the vlog. Smile.
Like, gumaganon tayo.
Tingnan mo si King, nag-enjoy sa beauty.
Oh.
Tingnan mo si King, nag-enjoy sa beauty.
Why is my tongue like that?
Huwag ka
Why?
na matulog dyan. Diyan, ang gagawin.
May isa pa tayong bangin na dadaan.
Lola. Alam mo yung nakakatakot lang sa mga plants? Mga lola, ahas.
Yeah.
It's what mode me.
Ay, ginagamit pala yun.
Then be in the video.
Anong sasabihin mo?
Hi. Hi daw.
We are here in the Valencia Drive
Ano daw?
Park, Quezon Park.
Hey everyone! So now we are here at the restaurant. The name of the
Kasi
restaurant.
kung isa na tayo mag-lunch buffet.
Kubli!
Oy, ang marito ba? Dito yung gancho rito.
Kubli Restaurant. Eh. Nakita nyo yan? Ang tawag ko po dyan ay baon. Since meron akong special diet before the radiation, yan yung aking baon. Yung but hindi baon, pero specially prepared by Kate Street, also from Baler. Yay! So, sa sobrang gutom po, hindi na po na-vlog yung pagkain sa Kubli. Let's go! So, we just had our lunch at Kubli. It was yummy. Did you like the food? 1 to 10?
Labubo.
9.5. 10. Lola, what's your score? 10.
1.
Bakit 1?
1.
Masarap naman siya, kaya lang hindi ko natikman. As I said, I'm on low iodine diet, but it's okay. So now we're on our way to Nalu Surf Camp, which is 300 meters away from Kubli Restaurant. Yan. Uy, ang cute!
Dogtown.
There you go. So this is the premium sea view ni Pahat here in Nalu Surf Camp. So it's our first time here kasi in the past few times that we went here in Baler, we always stay at Costa Pacifica. So ngayon, first time namin dito. It's actually good. Ito siya. It's right beside the beach. So, kung gusto mo ma-achieve yung eksenang hampas ng alon, nako, achieve yung hampas ng alon. Wow! Tapos, it's good for around 6 adults. Pwede rin na may kasamang kids. Kasi 2 floors po siya with pull-a beds. There. So, that's Mama and Chai. There. Maglalakad-lakad daw sila doon. Okay, so kung naghahanap ka ng white beach, well, here in this Sabang Beach, I think there are other parts of Aurora na white sand, pero dito, hindi talaga siya white. Pero as I said, achieve naman yung hampas ng alon. So yun naman yung gusto din nating marinig at pa-achieve. Yung ma-relax tayo with the sound of the waves. So there. And syempre, nakakapag-swimming ang aking bunso kapag nandyan si Ate Kim na alay. Ayun siya. Ate Kim! Ate Kim! Ayan, siya yung alay para makapag-swimming itong batang to. Ayan. Ay, oh my God. Yung slippers mo. So there, ito siya. Ayan.
You are beautiful!
Oh, thank you so much. Naku, hindi nyo narinig. Pero narinig ko. Sabi niya, Tita M, you're so beautiful. Ayan. Ngayon yung mga gusto natin ng mga batang hindi nagsisinungaling. Chares. Salamat.
Can see Kiko. I
If,
can just tell.
if his dad allows. Are you having fun?
Yeah. I'm gonna go in this swimming pool.
Okay. Ooh.
When ate swims na.
I'm gonna swim in the swimming pool later.
Mag-swim na daw siya eh. So that's the beach area. So basically, mas for surfing siya versus swimming, feeling ko. But if di ka naman maarte sa dagat, okay lang sa'yo. Basta maalat. Push na yan. Okay, so now we're walking towards the pool area. So, meron din ganito. Wow! Bonfire. Gano'ng kalaki yung marshmallow? Pagka ganyan kalaki yung bonfire. Ay, hala, ang bait. Ang bait. Oh my gosh, ang cute. Thank you. So, this is the pool area. Hindi siya masyadong malaki, pero okay naman. It's good enough. Hey guys! Hey guys!
Hello.
Hi!
Jacuzzi.
Ooh, is it cold?
Yeah.
serene. Ganda. Ganda niya. I recommend it. So, nagdagat sila. Ako na aura lang at never ever ever lumulubog. Okay, here they are. Wait. Yummy?
My noodles. The noodles finished.
Wow. How do you like the food? Ano in order mo?
Kari-kara.
Good. So ako, naghintay po ako ng arroz caldo na nabuti na lang, alam nyo, nakakatuwa kasi in-explain nila sa akin kung ano yung mga gagawin nila doon. So, I had to make sure, they told me na initially na may pork cube. So, sabi ko, buti na sinabi mo po, thank you so much. So, hindi ako pwede doon. So, no, I cannot. So, it has to be just salt. So, may dala kasi ako sariling kosher salt. Laro na kosher salt. Hayden, can you say something about the frogs?
Pansit. Pansit.
But the frogs in here are faster than me.
Manyo. Kim ko na.
Why are there frogs here? You told me earlier. Because?
Because studying in here. Wow. That's water.
Good morning. So this is the second floor of Nalu Surf Camp. Premier Sea View. And look at this. Oh, so cute. First time sumama niyan sa isang trip. And this Balair trip is a perfect destination for King kasi halos lahat open areas, diba Daddy? Happy yan. Tapos ito yung view from the second floor. It's so nice. Okay, so now we are here at the Hanging Bridge. Hindi masyado maganda yung weather. It's gloomy and rainy, pero syempre bilang turista at sayang naman yung effort, itatawid na lang natin ito.
Mami, palapal ha. Kailangan natin.
Baka dito sa mga souvenir shop. Dito, ma. Ma, dito, ma. Yung merong signage nakalagay,
Dito tayo.
Hanging Bridge.
Sinong papayong sa'yo? Dito tayo. Wala kang karapatang magkasakit.
Ako, okay.
Oo.
Kulang pa dito sa'yo. Ganda. Kunin mo tayo.
Ah. Hindi okay lang yung mga bata. Prince, come on. Pata.
Ayun.
Hey.
Don't hold me.
Ah? Where are you? Ayun na nga, na kahit mainit ay maulan ng panahon, itinawid ang mga tourist spots. 'Di ba, babe? How are you?
Okay.
Naka-lipstick ka ba?
No.
Ah, bakit? Oh,
See,
look.
natural.
Wow! Oh, may ganito. So, ito po ang hanging bridge. It's nice actually.
May dadaan, may dadaan.
Binigay na sa inyo yung mga.
Ito.
Ang bilis. Black din yata favorite niya eh.
Picture tayo.
Nagkakali yung
I want to go there.
Come on. Oh, go. Walk, walk, go. Can you see? Wow, talaga namang not scared. Prince, you have no one with you. Stay here. You have no one with you. Oh, up. Hey, this is a vlog. This is a vlog. Dance. Na. Prince, go here. Vlog. Come on. So, how do you like the hanging bridge?
Good because it's AC Skids.
Oh, what's just that? Ah, yung dog.
AC Skid is here. AC Skid.
Meron kasi kaming meron kasi kaming puppies at home, mga anak ni AC. Okay, say bye. Off to the next destination. Denselit, go. Okay, so now we are here at, ito na-discover namin a few years ago na merong place dito sa Baler kung saan they have buffet. At ito yung buffet talaga na gusto natin kasi ito po yung mga tipong buffet na mga ulam na gusto natin. Yan. So, though ako ay hindi pwede because as I said, during this trip, I'm on low iodine diet in preparation for radiation. Medyo nasasanay na ako na nasa restaurant sila na nag-e-enjoy pero ako hindi. Like this, tingnan mo yan. Nanay ko na sarap ng kain, kapatid ko.
Kaya tumataba.
Ayan.
Ayun mama po. Spoon and fork po.
Ito, si Princess will not eat because she just ate in the hotel. Pero, she likes this one too before. I really like it. I really like it too. I really like it until now. But my low iodine diet says no. How about you, Dad? Yan. Ang sayo-sayo ng asawa ko. Dati 250 to, naging 300. But para sa akin, it's super worth it pa rin siya. Sa dami ng kinakain. Oh my gosh, I'll show you guys. Babe, I'm gonna tour them, okay? Hello. What? And that's just one side of it. Ito po yung kabilang side na mamaya ko nag-video kasi may mga tao. Okay, let's go.
Daddy, wala
Okay,
yung spoon.
so
Hey, go to ate.
this is the Millennium Tree, the Balete tree. Wow! Look at that.
Anak.
Okay, come on. Just going to take a picture. Yes.
Mama, Emmy, the balloon tree is very tall.
It is. You know how many years old it is? 1,000 years old.
Wow.
I know, right? There's a swing here. You want to try it? There's a swing. There.
I can see it.
Yeah. See? It's 1,000 years old. Ay! At yan si Chay, wave.
That again? I got a fish that again?
Mag-wave ka. Sabi ko mag-wave ka.
Daddy, that's the balloon tree.
No. Hello, Prince and Kaden.
Hello.
Hi, Prince.
Hi.
Yan. So, may pag ganito, may paikot around the millennial tree.
Hi, Ate Kim. Hi, Ate Kim. Bye-bye.
Uy, sama! Okay, so inside is the secret garden. What? Dino. Dinosaur egg. Dinosaur egg. Oh my gosh.
Group picture ko kayo dyan.
Lokohin
Para
natin
may
yung
group
mga
picture
bata
kayo.
na may dinosaur
Group picture
egg.
ko po kayo. Sige.
Yan. Prince, you wanna picture the dinosaur egg? Ayan. So, nakailang beses na akong punta dito. Ngayon ko na nakita tong secret garden na merong Macau, Singapore, India. Ay, sorry.
Bali yan, yung puso na yan, magiging saging lahat, kaya abutin niya yung lupa.
Wow.
Nagiging ano talaga, nagtututo, lumalaki talaga.
Nag-trending daw to.
Yung nasa taas na yun, gano'n na lang size niya, tataba na lang siya. Tapos pantay-pantay siya mula sa taas hanggang sa baba.
So, videohan na lang din natin kasi ito yung mga bagay na trip ng mga tito-tita at saka ng mga bata. Okay, let's go. So, inside the part ng Balete tour is merong secret
Mom, there's a
garden na tinatawag.
grasshopper. Oh, no.
What?
That's a grasshopper. I see it there. There I go. The grasshopper, Mom.
There is? Okay. Ayan. So, inside the...
Killed it? Oh, he's over there. The grasshopper. Oh! Hallelujah, guys. Oh! Don't let that thing there. Wait ka lang siya.
Okay.
Kayden, picture dyan, Kayden. Kayden.
Mama,
Kayden, look at mommy.
Kayden.
PK.
Bali, nagbubukas siya ng picture niya bawat buhay. Tapos nag-a-attack siya.
Alin?
Nag-release siya ng amoy sweet. Kaya nakaka-attack na isa.
Carnivorous plant.
Yes po.
It's a pitcher plant. Ayan.
May sa ubas, ito kulay green, nakukuha natin sa ubas. Kulay green naman niya. Tapos ito naman kulay
So,
black. Tapos red pineapple.
Interesado yung nanay ko bilang siya ay BS Bio.
Piniyak niyo muna yung red.
Pero ang sabi ni Prince, it's not even cool. Pero look at that. Ang laki ng suit.
Miracle fruit.
Miracle fruit.
Ginagamit yan pang gamot sa mga may cancer. Kailangan mo siyang lutuin, pakuluan ng walang tubig kung saan siyang lutuin.
Pero binibiyak.
Mahihil.
Binibiyak.
Ma'am, can we...
Baka ma-squeeze in ka din po kasi ano eh. Small spaces lang.
Princess. What?
Mapayat ko yung lumabas dyan.
Hindi, pumasok ka sa loob.
Mapayat yung lumabas.
Pinayagan, hindi ko pinayagan.
Parang kasi maliit lang eh.
But you can.
Yeah, but you can.
Ganda ng shot
sabi
na
ni
yan.
Kuya,
Oh my God,
sabi ni
I'm so
Kuya na nasa loob. Sabi niya, parang may kapre sa loob.
Bossing madulas? Hindi naman madulas?
Baka may experience.
Ganda.
Ay, kaya yan ni Pata. Oo, inaano niya. Nilalagay ko.
Ayan. Wow. Ay, galing. Oh, ito phone.
Kim, ang shot pa ilalim yung ginagawa natin.
Ay. As a director, pailalim mong shot.
Smile, Prince.
1, 2, 3. Wait lang, please.
Ayan, pa-fan-fan. So, we're back in the car, going back to Manila. It was a cute but sweet, ayan, na trip to
Comfy ba yung kapatid?
Baler.
Bakit ang
It was a long weekend. At yung anak ko ay nakahiga na sa pagod. Paano? Swimming ng swimming. 6 a.m. pala, nasa dagat na. Diba? But we're happy na kami po ay nakapunta ulit dito after 2 years. After 2 years, we're so thankful for the Lord's provision. And of course, ito po yung parang aming relaxing trip before the radiation. So, yeah. Thank you, Lord. And thank you for watching. Say bye, everyone.
Bye!
Bye!
Don't forget to
Subscribe to your YouTube channel and hope to like our videos.
Papam-pam, pambansang pamilya. Daddy Ren, Mami Emmy, Princess Nicole Yala at si Prince Clarence. Mag-i-enjoy kayong sila'y kasama. Papam-pam, pambansang pamilya. Papam-pam, samahan natin sila. Fun-filled na baling ng pamilya.